Well, I look good. Anyway, hello. Hold on. All right. Hello, everyone. How's it going? My name is Kadi, and today I'm going to break down this crazy trade that I took on GJ. So, a little bit of background information. I regularly trade futures, but something happened. I won't get into details, and I lost $400 in one day. I did not overtrade. An order was put in. It was it was my fault, but it was because I didn't understand what kind of order I put in. And so it was like I thought I was trying to put a stop loss, but I ended up putting like a limit order, and price got me in for a sell when the market was going in for a buy, and long story short, my account got blown. Essentially. Yeah, not essentially. My account got blown. So I decided to then switch over to my Forex account, which I've always had, but it's a smaller account. And I just do it to just kind of practice, but still have that feeling of like money. It's a live account, but it's like very small. So this trade though was crazy because the morning, so I start my day 7 a.m. every time. Not gonna lie, I was literally in the bathroom and I was just like looking on my phone and I saw GJ. And so let's get to the time. Let me put this away. So I saw GJ again. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, that's a spoiler for everybody. So sorry, but it doesn't matter. It's the same fucking shit. So yeah, so I literally was in the bathroom at like 6:50 6:55. I was just looking at the markets because I really wasn't seeing anything on the future side. So I was just like, all right, let me just check currency pairs. I see this, and I mean, obviously you already see what happened, but with this move, price broke this high and made a new high. Price broke this, created a new high, and I saw that this demand zone was right here and it has a gap, so it's high probability for me. The EMAs, if you zoom out, is looking beautiful. And so I was just like, all right, if price dips into the zone, gives me a candle, a break, and I'm in. So the next candle does that. Then the next candle hits it, and so I'm like, okay, bet. So I'm waiting. I go on TradingView to put in my order. Once price breaks this candle right here, when price breaks that, that's when I go to MetaTrader and like put in my sell. And then as soon as I put in my sell, I see I'm already floating in a good amount of profit. And I'm like, what? Like, what's going on? Because usually when I put in a sell or just put in a trade on anything that's Forex related, those spreads, you're like almost always in drawdown. So to see that I was up like 1%, I'm like, what is going on? So I check my chart and this is happening. This is happening. Now the candle is like already here, is like here. My TP is like for 1 to 2. Honestly, my thing was originally like because of spreads, the spreads was like 9 point something, 10 point. I was like, all right, let me put this bitch right down there. And I went for a 1 to 2. Um, so price was here hovering like around this area, and I'm like, damn. And then I got out as soon as it hit my TP, and I was just like, all right, bro. Like, I didn't even know what was going on. And obviously, that is the end of that candle. So it went for, oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, that was crazy. So I didn't even know what was going on. And I was like, damn, I got out and I didn't even think about it. I was just like, oh, well, good for those people. That's tough. This was the only trade that I took. Yeah, because I was like, what's really gonna beat that? Nothing. I was like, what the fuck is going on? And then I checked news and I said, 7 a.m. high impact news. Like I'm telling you, I gotta start looking at news like I know about news and I look at it, but it's not like the first thing that I'm like, let me check news. I'm always like let me check the charts. So, I mean, obviously this went into my favor, so it's just like, ooh, but like I'm not somebody who wants to trade news. So I'm definitely gonna start looking at news before I look at the charts just to see what is going on in the markets before I try to buy or sell. But I mean, news went in my direction, went in my way. It could have easily like retraced and like, you know, stopped me out and whatever, but it didn't. I didn't even have time to put my stop losses and stuff. It was just like instantly in profit and went up, and let's see what it did for the rest of the day. Yeah, a little consolidation. Let's see. Did it go higher? Oh, a little higher, made another high. Okay, and that's where we are right now. Okay, so yeah, that was basically it. Supply demand. This is supply setup, but of course, I invert my charts to make everything look like a buy because I see those easier. And yeah, came in, breaking a candle. Rest is history, literally. So yeah, that's just a trade recap for today, and I hope you enjoyed. Okay, tune in to the next one. Ah, all right, bye.